Assalamu alaikum, my dear lovely friends. How are you all? Hopefully, you are doing well by the grace of Almighty Allah. So, today I am at TNT Mart, which is very famous in Gazipur because most of the people are the players of this territory. They come here to play, and behind me, as you can see, this is a mosque. TNT Mosque. It's also very well known in Gazipur district, and I'm just going to the field to play cricket because one of my friend invited me here to play cricket. Okay, if I show you behind me, there is a pond, and that side is a little bit jungle. So the place or environment is totally awesome. And now I'm going to play cricket at that place. Okay, can you see behind far from me? The players are playing there, so that's why I am also going to them to play cricket. And basically, I don't play cricket regularly, but now I have got an opportunity to play, so that's why I think I should not miss this opportunity. So that's why I am going to play, and I became quite busy. So though I am busy, but it's also important to play for our health, to keep fit. So that's why I just manage my time. So hopefully you guys will keep practicing. You will be able to catch your destination. Allah Hafiz.